We've got an unboxing video, haul video, waiting for us at home, I think. It said it was delivered, so we're gonna see. It's Friday, see what we got in the mail. Hopefully some calls. Right, Maya? That would be good. Some fresh fits, some t-shirts, that's what I got. Need some more t-shirts. And these are fire. So yeah, we are going to go finish our longboard. It's too hot, Maya's like dying out, so like it's crazy out here. Yeah, catch you inside. Whoa. Yo, thrift video, super fire thrift. These KAWS tees, there's so many on Poshmark. It's actually crazy. I don't know, like, I guess like people just don't realize the hype about them, because they could just sell it on like StockX or something. I don't know, but like there's so many of them. They do sell really quickly because like how cheap they are, obviously, and like they're so much more expensive on StockX, blah blah blah, and they're pretty limited. And like KAWS is just expensive brand, all that crazy stuff. One of my favorite brands. I love KAWS, that designer, so fire, and stuff that they do, so cool. I do have one of these KAWS tees that I got on Kijiji one time, which is pretty fire, a good nice little thrift. But today we got two more of these tees. I'm pretty sure it's from like the same collection or the similar collection. It's the KAWS UNIQLO. It's because the tees are so cheap. They're like $10, $20 normally, I'm pretty sure. Because it's like, but it's Japanese money, it's yen, 2,000 yen per shirt, so I think it's only like 10 or 20, especially if you're getting it like from the destination. It's probably so cheap, getting it from the actual drop. But we're gonna open this up and I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, I've been wanting to get some of these tees since they kind of fly off the shelves on this site, fly off the thrift and shelves, off the thrift and site. So I've really been wanting to get some more of them, more of these tees. I even did an order a while ago and there was issues with it and it got canceled. So Japanese sizing is like a size or even two sizes down sometimes. So they're gonna fit like a small, but it still fits pretty good. I can fit small, just more of a fitted fit for me. You know what I'm saying? Yes, let's unbox this KAWS thrift. KAWS UNIQLO tees. They're very fire, collectible tees. Oh, wrapped in this nice, I like this packaging. Thank you. This is cute. Okay. With the black tissue paper. We rip it open. Ooh, beautiful colors for the summer too. And brand new with the tags. They do look very tiny, but it's just gonna be like fitted for me, you know what I'm saying? Because medium is technically like small for Japanese sizing. So we have the best friend tee here. Beautiful. Oh, I love this one. Love the best friend design. And then you got it, oh, a super sick tag. So I think this is a slightly different collection. I'll look at this more and show you more details in the preview. Yeah, this is a different collection. The other one I got was actually from like a gallery collection, whereas this is just like, I think just one of their regular clothing collections. Yeah, the one I had was from like an actual like museum, like a, what are like an art show collection. What are those called? Whereas this is just like the KAWS UNIQLO. Ooh, I love the tag though. The KAWS UNIQLO regular clothing collection. So you see how they did like they did a huge collab like with that the whole like Sesame Street, all this stuff. There's a bunch of different designs for the KAWS UNIQLO collection. Super fire, really love it. Here we go, another best friend tee. So instead of the small, so I love it. It's kind of like matching too, because then we got the big guy with the small guy, and then the same thing, except reverse. We got the big guy with the small guy. He's so cute. The pink guy's treating you with a little bit more love. The black guy, he just doesn't really, or like the gray dude. See, the shirt I have is with this gray dude on it. He just doesn't really care, I guess. Even here, he's just like asleep. No, this guy's like, oh, I'm sad. I give you so much love. But I love this like peachy pink color too. Some more colors, some different shades for my wardrobe. It'll go nice with some of my pink items. And then white is also just goes with anything. So I'm so excited for these tees. Gonna be rocking some fire KAWS fits, my favorite designer. So sick. And it was like, I think it was 65 each or 70. I think I paid, no, it was 65. I think it came to 75 with taxes and shipping. So like 35 per tee isn't even bad at all. Like altogether $35 per tee. That's like super good when they sell for like $80 on StockX, I'm pretty sure. Like up to $100. And then there's even fees on top of that. So fire! Now all I have to do, try them on, shoot the preview to show you guys more of the details, the quality of the product, the materials, the design, 4K macro lens. This one is like a normal print, whereas this one is like actually like the hard print. What if this is fake? That's why I was like concerned. I'm like, how do I legit check this? But no, it's just probably made differently. But this one is like a more print design. I like this better. Whereas this one is a actual like a stick-on print, whereas this is like ink print. Interesting. Really excited for these, brand new. Also, I love that with the tags, not even used. I think the other one I got, yeah, it had tags too. So fire. More for my KAWS collection. My KAWS collection is getting so big. I really love it. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the close-up. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to see more videos like this. If you're interested and you're in Canada, maybe the discount code also works in the States. I don't know. When you sign up, use the code SWAGSHOPPER123 on POSHMARK.CA and you will save $15 on your first purchase. So please use the code. Would appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh, and there's the embroidery on the sleeve with the KAWS X's. Is there? Oh yes, the KAWS X's embroidered on the sleeve. There we go. Yes, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and that's about it for this video. More thrifts. You can check out my other thrifts too. I've got everything on my channel. Peace. Right, let's try these shirts on. And fits nice. Ooh, this even goes with these shorts. Like the two different shades. I didn't even think it would, but it does. I like how there's no like tag. I like just like printed on look. Like tags are so annoying unless they do it right, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, the medium, it fits like a small for sure. Or like, yeah, very, very small medium. Japan sizing, crazy size warning. In case you guys didn't know that. Japan sizing is a whole size down or like 2 size down. It's definitely a small. But I'm a skinny guy, so small is just like a nice fitted fit for me. I need some more fitted outfits. I have everything so baggy and it makes me look young and like reckless and like a hooligan. I need to be more formal, more elegant, more spiffy, you know. If it's good quality and it's just like actually a proper fit, then it's comfy. Like to have it fitted because it's like not in the way. I think this one is no, it's probably the same. Super fire. Did this one have a? Oh, it does. Okay. This one says 1 to 3 or 3 to 1. What does that mean? What are the numbers on them? Is that just like the collection they're from? I don't know. So fire. Let me know what you guys think. I love these shirts. These are so fire. I love everything by KAWS. My favorite collection, my favorite designer, my favorite clothing. Why not? You're always in the way. I even think I like the pink shirt better with this outfit. But I don't know, I might wear this one today. Because I thought the pink would match with the pants. But that salmon actually matches better. Like this like pink salmon-y color. So yeah, we'll have to see how it goes. Yes, thank you for watching. Now, thank you for watching everybody. Now it's time to go shoot this preview. Let's go.